How to share a video with audio in Google Meet. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to share video with audio in Google Meet. To start this tutorial, open and locate your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once in your browser, head on over to the search bar. And then type in Google Meet. Once you're here, click on the first link that says meet.google.com. Now, let's wait for the website to start loading. Once we're here, let's tap on New Meeting. Then, start an instant meeting. Now wait for it to load this time. This will take a few seconds or a few minutes even, so don't worry, just wait for it. I'll be here waiting as well. In here, you can add others to the meeting. Once the G-Meet has loaded, you can now turn on or off your camera, and you can also mute or unmute your microphone. Now to share your screen, all you have to do is tap on the square with the arrow icon. That will allow you to share audio with video in Google Meet. And that's it. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you got some value in this one. And as always, I'll see you on the next video.